I see that food is the medium here. So, we all gather together here to learn to cook and to be able to prepare things yourself and share them with your family and friends. We're helping our young people to have those opportunities.
Hi, I'm Joe. Welcome to Mile Foodie. I'm safe and reporting here. I'm gonna cook with my friends.
Okay, guys, you know what we're going to make today? Gingerbread decorations to put on the Christmas tree. How about that?
For as long as I can remember growing up, I've always loved food. 100 Mile Foodie has allowed me to do something that I love while being able to make friends.
They're more confident in themselves, they're more social with others and their peers. It's unbelievably affecting all parts of their lives.
Hi, I'm Amelia and I'm 16 years old. When I come here to cook with Marlene, I feel happy.
I love coming here and cooking dinner to take home to my family. 100 Mile Foodie inspired me to have my own business to run. It's a Sri Lankan recipe that's been passed down 4 generations. Now that I'm doing it for myself, it feels good.
My micro business, it's called Pumpkin Paws and it's healthy homemade dog biscuits.
Marlene helped me set up my business, Amelia's Cookie Co.
I see some amazing young people who have established their micro businesses. They are selling their produce and their products. They are doing amazing jobs and it is building a future for life for them. And I'm really excited about that.
Cooking me feel happy. I'm a cook.